Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple yet useful feature in Windows 10 that allows quick access to your desktop directly from the taskbar. This handy toolbar can save you time and keep your folders and files just a click away. Step 1. Right-click on any empty space in your taskbar. Next, from the menu that appears, hover over or select Toolbars. Then, in the list of available toolbars, click on Desktop. Once you do this, you will see the word Desktop appear on your taskbar, along with a small arrow icon next to it. After that, simply click the arrow icon, and a list of all your desktop items will drop down. Finally, you can now easily open any folder or file located on your desktop without minimizing your current windows. To sum up, enabling the desktop toolbar is a quick way to boost productivity and streamline your workflow on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.